श्री गणेशाय नमः। लोगारिथम्स हिंदी में अनुवाद हो लघु गणक। लघु का मतलब छोटा, गणक मतलब गणना करने वाला, गणना को छोटा करने वाला। लोगारिथम का काम है गणना को, कैलकुलेशन को शॉर्ट करेगा। 2 to the power cube is equal to 8. We know that. So logarithm में कैसे लिखेंगे? लोगारिथम का लॉग जो है इसी का पहला LOG लिखा जाएगा। फर्स्ट 3 लेटर्स, तो log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. So log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. 5 to the power cube is equal to 125. So log 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. We can change as 2 to the power cube is equal to 8. 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. 5 to the power cube is equal to 125. Now in general, a to the power x is equal to n. So log n to the base a is equal to x. Log n to the base a is equal to x. Here, this is very important. N is greater than 0. N is greater than 0. N can't be negative or n can't be equal to 0. And a is equal to a is also positive. A is greater than 0. But at the same time, a can't be 1. Though 1 is greater than 0, but both the conditions, a is greater than 0 positive and a can't be 1. 1 को छोड़कर. Logarithm is unique, means can't be 2 values. एक लॉगरिथम का 2 वैल्यू नहीं हो सकता है, एक ही वैल्यू होगा, 2 वैल्यू नहीं हो सकता है. Now, in calculation, base is 10, and this is known as common logarithm. Common logarithm. Common logarithm. In calculation, it is understood whether base is given or not. Base is 10. In calculus, base is always e, whether we write it or not. And value of e is 2.718 ... So e lies between 2 and 3, that we know. E lies between 2 and 3. Now, a to the power x is equal to n. We have already discussed here. Log n to the base is equal to x. Second, log a to the base is equal to 1. Same base, same. Because a to the power 1 is equal to a, so log a to the base a is equal to 1. Log 1 to the base is equal to 0. A to the power 0 is 1, we know. So log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Whatever may be the base, log 1 is 0. Chain rule. Log x to the base a is equal to log x. We are changing here base. In place of a, we are writing b here. So log x to the base b into multiplied by log b to the base a. Log b to the base a, this base. Log base 2. This is chain rule. Fifth, log a to the base b into log b to the power base a is equal to a to the base b, and log b to the base a is equal to, by chain rule, b log a to the base a, and we know that log a to the base is equal to 1. So we can say log a to the base b is equal to 1 by log b to the base a. A base 1 by to b to the base a. Very important thing. Sixth, log m into n base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Log m into n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus multiplication here, but here plus log n to the base a. Here multiplication sign, here addition sign. Let log m to the base a is equal to x and log n to the base a is equal to y. So a to the power x is equal to m, and a to the power y is equal to n. Now multiply this two. So a to the power x into a to the power y is equal to m into n. A to the power x plus y is equal to m into n. Now changing into logarithmic form. So log m into n to the base a is equal to x plus y. And we have supposed that x is equal to log m to the base a plus y is equal to log n to the base a. So we have proved it. Similarly, we can prove log m to the base m by n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Here division. So division is changed by into subtraction. Multiplication, addition, and division, subtraction. This we have to know. Now property number 8. Property number 8. Log m to the power n base a. This n will come out here. So n into log m to the base a. The power will come here. 9. Log m to the base a to the power k. So this is equal to 1 by, very important, k will come here. 1 by k log m to the base a. Log m to the power n base a to the power k is equal to, this n will come out like this. So n will come here and k will be in the denominator. So n by k log m to the base a. Both दोनों इसमें इस्तेमाल हो गया. 10th, a to the power log x to the base a is equal to x. टोटल समाप्त हो जाएगा, खत्म हो गया. log a simply x, very important. Second form of this is x to the power log z to the base y is equal to, the z and x will interchange position. So z to the power log x to the base y. Here a to the power log x to the base a, the total will go out simply x. And here x to the power log z to the base y, z and x will interchange their position. So z to the power log x to the base y. Log, very important. Now let us solve one problem. The value of log 9 to the base 2 whole square whole to the power 1 by log base 2 log 9 to the base 2 into root 7 1 by log 7 to the base 4 each. First we will solve this. So log 9 to the base 2 whole square into 1 by log 2 9 to the base 2. This seems very complicated. First of all, log 9 to the base 2 is equal to xa. So this becomes x square. This is 1 by log. This is x. So log x to the base 2. Whole thing is x. So log x to the base 2. Now, x square log 1 by. So position will interchange. Log 2 to the base x. Log 2 to the base x. Property 5. X to the power 2 log 2 to the base x. It is a simple indices rule. 2 into this, multiply. X to the power log, this will come here. 2 to the power square x. Property number 8. This property. उल्टा है इसमें. This will come here like this. And will come here. इसको opposite face इसका. Log m to the base power n and n. So we have log 2 square. So log 2 square is 4x. Now property 10. So this is 4. Property 10. Yes, this property. A to the power x by a. Whole thing a x. So here x will go out simply 4. Now this one. Root 7 to the power log 1 by 7 4. So this is root means 7 to the 7 whole 1 by 2. And this is property interchange. fifth property, like this. 1 by x log x base, so log 2 to the base x. So change it. So log 4 to the base 7. 7 to the power, simple half into log 4 by 4, log 4 by 7, as we have done in previous case also. This half will come here. Property number 8. This 8. Property likha. So 7 to the power 4 to the power half. 4 to the power half is 2 logs. So this is now property 10. Property 10. This property 10. So this becomes 2 only. This all will go out. 2 only. So this is our 1. This is our 2. This is our 1. This is our 2. So from 1 and 2, product is equal to, this is our product here. Product is equal to 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. So this is the numerical value of this. JEE Advanced 2018. This question, JEE Advanced 2018. Thanks. श्री गणेशाय नमः. मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानंद माधवम. जय गुरु. Question. The value of 2 to the power log 64,009 to the base 4 multiplied by 2 to the power log 512 to the base 8. Let us first calculate this. 2 to the power log 64,009 to the base 4. This is equal to 2 to the power 2 square. Why we do? This base is 2, therefore 2 square. So this is equal to 2 to the power, this formula, x a to the power k is equal to 1 by k log x to the base a. So this is 1 by 2 log 64,009 to the base 2, this 2. So this is equal to 2 log, this half will come here, this formula, n is here, this formula. So half. So 2 to the power log, the square root of this is 253 to the base 2. Now this formula, log x to a to the power log x to the base a is equal to x. So whole thing will go out, only 253 will remain here. Now this 2 to the power log 512 to the base 8. We can solve it in two ways. First way, 2 to the power log 512 is 8 to the power cube. So 8 cube to the base 8. So this is 2 to the power. This power will come out here, like this formula. N is here. So 3 log 8 to the base 8. And log 8 to the base is equal to 1. So 3 into log 8 to the base is equal to 1. So 2 cube is 8. Another way, 2 to the power log 512. Now this 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2. So this is equal to, now this formula again, 1 by k. So 2 to the power 1 by 3 log 512 to the base 2. So this is 2. This power will come here, this formula. So 512 to the power 1 by 3. So 2 log, the square root is 8. 8 to the base 2. Let's again this formula. So this is equal to 8. So the value is, this value 253 and this value is 8. So multiply by 8. This is equal to 2024. 2024. This is your answer. Thank you. log x to the base a is greater than log y to the base a. If then x is greater than y, if a is greater than 1. If this is greater than 1, then this will be greater than 1. This is greater than 1 implies that x is less than y if a lies between 0 and 1. We know that logarithm a is lies between 0 to 1 or greater than 1. If greater than 1, then inequality will remain same. If this is lies between 0 to 1, then inequality will reverse. Greater than change into less than. Question: if log x minus 1 to the base 0.3 is less than log x minus 1 0.09, then x lies in the interval. So log x minus 1 to the base 0.3 is less than log x minus 1 0.9. 0.09 is 0.3 whole square. Because this is 0.3, so we will write in this form 0.3 whole square. So log x minus 1 to the base 0.3 less than, this power will come out here, half 1 by 2. So this is 1 by k formula. 1 by 2 log x minus 1 0.3. Now log x minus 1 0.3 is equal minus, this will come out this side. So minus half log x minus 1 0.3 base is less than 0. This minus this half, so this will become half x minus 1 0.3 base less than 0. So log x minus 0.3 multiply both sides, multiply 2 into 2 cut 2 into 0 0. So x minus 1 0.3 is less than log. Now we will write in this form. Log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Similarly, this base and this base same. So log 1 to the base log 1 to the base 0.3. Same base. Now this base is less than, lies between 0 and 1. So this formula will apply. So inequality will reverse. So this is less than this. So x minus 1 will be greater than 1. Like this formula. X is greater than to less than, and less than we change greater than, less than we change into greater than. So x minus 1 is greater than 1, so x is greater than 2, therefore interval is 2 to infinity, open interval. Great. Open interval, this is open interval. Thank you. Question: the number of solutions of the equation log x minus 1 to the base 4 is equal to log x minus 3 to the base each. This can be written as log x minus 1 2 square is equal to log x minus 3 to the base 2. Because this base is 2, so we will write it in the form of 2 base 2. Now this will come out 1 by 2, 1 by k formula. So 1 by 2 log x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to log x minus 3 to the base 2. So log x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to two into log x minus 3 to the base 2. So this implies that log x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to, this will come here, x square, m into the m power n. So log x minus 3 whole square base. Now log 2, so x minus 1 is equal to x minus 3 whole square. This same will go out. So x minus 1 is equal to x minus 3 whole square. So x minus 3 whole square, x square minus 6x plus 9. So x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now factorizing this, x minus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 5. But x minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, which is not equal to 0. If you take this value 2, then here x minus 3 will, this will alright, 2 minus 1 is 1, so this is positive. But x minus 3 will be negative. This is not equal to, is not positive. So this is not admissible. Therefore x is equal to 5 is the only solution. So number of solution is equal to 1. Thanks. Question is the product of all positive real values of x satisfying the equation x to the power 16 log x to the base 5 whole cube minus 68 log x to the base 5 is equal to 5 to minus 16 each. X to the log x to the base 5, let us suppose that this is equal to y. So this will become x to the power 16y cube minus 68y is equal to 5 to the power minus 16. ऐसे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता था देखने में कि x to the power 5 log x to the 5 लंबा चौड़ा सवाल में, अब सिंपल हो गए. Now taking log of this is equal to log of this. Base is 5, this 5. Base is this 5. So log 5, यहाँ भी log 5 base. So this will become now, this is power, n will come out here. So 16y cube minus 68y into log x to the base 5. This is power. So this will come out here. So log x to the base 5 is equal to, this will come out here minus, and log 5 to the base 5 is equal to 1. Log 5 to the base 5 is equal to 1. So this is equal to, again, log x to the base 5 is equal to y. So 16y cube minus 68y into y is equal to minus 16. So 16y4 minus 68y square plus 16 is equal to 0. Taking out 4. 4y4 minus 16y square plus 4 is equal to 0. So our equation becomes 4y to the power 4 minus 16y square plus 4 is equal to 0. We have to find the product. We have to find the product of all positive real numbers. लेकिन मान ली रूट्स आर y1, y2, y3, y4. Here I am taking sum of, not product, sum of the roots. So sum of the roots is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 is equal to 0. But here in equation 4y to the power 4 into 0 to the power y cube. Y cube is not available here. So 0 into y cube. So minus by a formula. So 0 to the 0 by 4. 0 by y cube, coefficient of y cube is 0 and this is 4. So 0 by 4, this is equal to 0. So roots, sum of the roots is equal to 0. Now y1 is equal to log x1 to the base 5. y2 is equal to log x to the base 5. y3 is equal to log x3 to the base 5. y4 is equal to log x5 4 to the base 5 is equal to 0. Now log x1 into x2 into x3 into x4 is equal to 0 to the base 5. So x1, x2, x3 into 4 is equal to 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. We have to find the product. Here is the product. That sum, because in logarithm sum will give the product. Formula is summation will convert into product. So we have taken, because of log, so we have taken the sum. So sum, so we come out product. So these are come x1 into x2 into x3 is equal to 4 in product form. That's why we have not taken here product. Though here product, this is your product. So product of real values. So product is equal to 1. Product is equal to 1. Thanks. श्री गणेशाय नमः. मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपा तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्. Question is the sum of the series log 2 to the base 4 minus log 2 to the base 8 plus log 2 to the base 16 minus up to infinity is. Answer. Log 2 to the base 4 minus log 2 to the base 8 plus log 2 to the base 16 minus dot 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 is equal to log 2. 4 can be written as 2 square because here is 2, that's why we are writing here 2 square. 2, therefore 8 can be written as 2 to the power cube and 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Now this becomes, this power will come here. So 1 by half log 2 to the base 2 minus 1 by 3 log 2 to the base 2 plus 1 by 4 log 2 to the base 2. This formula log x to the base a to the power k is equal to 1 by k log x to the base a. So this is equal to half minus, now log log a to the base a is equal to 1. So log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. Therefore this will become half minus 1 by 3. This is 1 by 4 minus dot dot dot. This can be written as 1 minus 1 is 0 plus half. So this can be written as 1 minus half plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Because log 1 plus x to the base e is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x over by 4 dot 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 up to infinity. We can put here x is equal to 1. So putting x is equal to 1, log 1 plus 1 to the base is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus. So this is equal to 2 log 2 to the base e 1 minus half plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. This is very important series. So this is equal to 1 minus half. So we have 1 minus half plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is equal to log 2 to the base e. So we write 1 minus 2 log 2 to the base e. This is your answer. This is your answer. Thanks. We have 4 options here. 2 log 2 to the base 3, 2 log 2 to the base 3 minus 1, 2 divided by 2 minus 2 log 3 to the base 2. Here base is 4, here is base is 2. So we see here, find here, we see that bases are different, 2, 3, 4 and 2. So let us start with the problem. 3 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x minus 1. You can start with any base, but first I have started with the base 2. Base 2. There are two solutions there to base 2. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 x minus 1. Taking log both sides. So log 3 to the power x base 2. Log 2 to the power 2x minus 2 base 2. Base 2. So this is x log 3 to the base 2 minus 2x minus 2 log 2 to the base 2. Formula we have log m to the power n base x is equal to n log m to the base x. So x log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 2x minus 2 log 2 to the base 2. Log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. So x log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. Taking x at one side and constant on the other side. 2 will be there and this side will come here. So x into 2 minus log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by log 2 minus 2 log 3 base 2. This resembles with 2. This resembles with 2. Now, if we here 3 base 2, here is also there. So now multiply it by this. 2 log 3 to the base 2. Numerator and denominator. Log 3 to the base 2. So 2 log 3 to the base 2 divided by 2 log 3 to the base 2 minus log 3 to the base 2 into log 3 to the base 2. Twice. So this doesn't resemble with 4. 2 log 3 to the base 2, 2 log 3 to the base 2, here minus 1. It is different. Log 3 by 2 whole square. It will become log 3 to the base 2 whole square, not 1. It is not 3 to the base 2 and 2 to the base 3. Confusion, there may be some confusion, but this is a whole square. So this doesn't resemble with 4. Now, again 3 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2x minus 2. Taking log x log 3 to the base 3 is equal to 2x minus 2 log 2 to the base 3. This is 1. So x is equal to 2x log 2 to the base 3 minus 2 log 2 to the base 3. Again take x into 2 log 2 to the base 3 minus 1, 2 log 2 to the base 3. So x is equal to 2 log 2 to the base 3 divided by 2 log 2 by 3 minus 1. So this resembles with 1. This It resembles with 1. Again, here we find that base is 4. So this time we will not write it 2 whole square. 4 will remain same. And this time we will log taking log with respect to 4. Base 4. So x log 3 to the base 4 is equal to x minus 1 log 4 to the base 4. Because here we find the base is 4. So x log 3 to the base 4 is equal to x minus 1. This is 1. So x into 1 minus log 3 to the 4 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 1 minus log 3 to the base 4. This resembles with 3. So we have 3 answers here. 1, 2 and 3. 4. So answer is 1, 2 and 3. Thanks. Question is this. The value of 0.16 to the power log to the base 2.5, 1 plus 3 plus 1 by 3 squared plus 1 by 3 cube plus dot dot up to infinity is equal to 0.16 whole to the power log base 2.5. S is equal to some geometric series a plus ar square up to infinity. This is equal to a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. So first term is here, this is geometric series. A is 1 by 3 and r is also 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3, so this is 1 by 2. 16 by 100, 1 by 2. This can be written as 4 by 25 log 5 to 2.5 is equal to 5 by 2 to the base 1 by 2. This is equal to 5 by 2 4 to the power minus 2. Because here we see that here is base is 5 by 2. So we want to write it in the same form. So this is 2 by 5. So we can write it 5 by 2 to the power minus 2. Log 5 to the base 2 half. Now 5 by 2 to this minus 2 will come here, this formula. N log x to the power a is equal to log m to the n a. So log 5 to the base 2 half to the power minus 2. N will come here. So this is 5 by 2 log 5 by 2 half to the power minus 2. Then again we have formula like this. A to the power log x to the power a is equal to x. Log a to the power log x to the base a is equal to x. So same power, same base, same thing here. So this will go out half to the power minus 2. So this is 2 to the power 2, this is equal to 4. This is your answer. So 4 is the answer. Thank you. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langhayate girim yat kripa tamham vande paramananda madhavam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Jai Guru. Question. The sum of all the real roots of the equation e to the power 2x minus 4 multiplied by 6 e to the power 2x minus 5 e to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0 is. Let e to the power x is equal to y. E to the power x is equal to y. So y square minus 4 e to the power 2x is y square. Y square minus 4 into 6 e to the power y square minus 5 y plus 1 is equal to 0. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, y plus 2 into y minus 2. 6y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y plus 2 into y minus 2. 3y common, 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y plus 2 into y minus 2, 2y minus 1, and 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 by 2, and y is equal to 1 by 3. But y is equal to e to the power x. So e to the power x is equal to minus 2. E to the power x is equal to 2. E to the power x is equal to half. And e to the power x is equal to 1 by 3. Now taking log. So x is equal to log minus 2 to the base e. X is equal to taking log with respect to this base e. So log 2 to the base e. X is equal to log half to the base e. X is equal to log 1 by 3 to the base e. Sum of all the real roots. Sum of real roots. This is not real. This is not defined. So log 2 to the base e plus log half to the base e plus log 1 by 3 to the base e is equal to log m plus n. Log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. So log 2 into half to the base e is equal plus log 3 to the power minus 1 to the base e. This is log 1 to the base e minus log minus 1 log m to the base a plus log n to the base a is equal to log mn to the base a. This formula. Here minus 3. So log m to the base n is equal to n into log m to the base n. So this is minus 3 log 1 is 0. So 0 minus log 3 to the base is minus log 3 to the base e. Thank you. Question is the sum of the roots of the equation x plus 1 minus 2 log 3 plus 2 power x base 2 plus 2 log 10 minus 2 to the power 2 minus x base 4 is equal to 0 each. Let us see here. Base is 2, here base is 4. So we will calculate with base 2, taking base 2. So x can be written as x log 2 to the base 2 log a to the base a is equal to 1 plus log 2 to the base 2 x into 1 plus 1 minus 2 log as it is given plus 2. This 4 can be written as 2 square because we want to take base as 2. So 2 square. So this is equal to log. This x will come here. Log 2 to the power x base 2 plus log 2 to the base 2 minus log. This power will come here to n log n formula as we have applied many times. And this power will come underneath in the denominator. 2 by 2 is equal to log 10 minus 2 power minus x is equal to 0. So now this 2 by 2 we can cancel. So log 2 to the power x plus 2 will be coming to here formula is this formula we have applied n log m to the base is equal to log m to the base power n and log x to x to the base a to the power k is equal to 1 by k log x by. We have applied this formula here. Now log m to the base a plus log n to the base a minus log p to the base a plus log s to the base a is equal to log m plus n. m into n into s divided by p. You have minus sign is here, so it will go in the denominator. Division. So log base is 2, same base everywhere. So 2 to the power x into 2, this will come out in the denominator, and 10 minus 2 power minus x is equal to 0. 2 to the power x into 2 into this is equal to divided by this is equal to this base 2 to the power 0. We have if log x to the base a is equal to y, then x is equal to a to the power y. This formula. Now 20 into, we are multiplying. So 10 to the 20 into 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x into 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this will be remove minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 to the power x whole for this side. Now 2 to the power x can be written as y. So 20y minus 2 is equal to 3 plus y whole square. So 20 minus 2 is equal to 9 plus 6y plus y square. So y square minus 14y plus 11 is equal to 0. Let the roots are y1 and y2. Product of roots is equal to PY formula 11 by 1. 11 divided by coefficient of y square, that is 1. So 11 by 1. And product is y1 into y2 roots. And y1 is equal to 2 to the power x1 and y2 is equal to 2 to the power x2. So this is into 11. So 2 to the power x1 plus x2 is equal to 11. Now taking log both sides with respect to base 2. So x1 plus x2 is equal to log 11 to the base 2. These two are the root of the equation is x1 plus x2. So sum of roots is equal to log 11 to the base 2. One thing is remarkable here. Here we have to find sum. And we are taking here products. Because this product, when we multiply in the index form, because they are index form. So in index form, this will come out to sum. So we will take product, then this will come out to be the sum. So here we are not going to take the plus sum of the roots, but product of the roots. As we have done in one equation, log of that same case. So our answer is sum roots is equal to log 11 to the base 2. Thank you. प्लीज पे योर अटेंशन हियर. इस फार्मूले का इस्तेमाल बार बार होता है, इसलिए इसको फिर से रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. a to the power log x to the base a is equal to x. Whole thing will go up. केवल x बच जाता है. एप्लीकेशन 3 to the base power log 5 to the base 3. So this will only 5, this formula. A 7 to the power log 3 to the base 7. So only 3 here. Log x to the base a to the power k is equal to 1 by a to the power 1 by k. This comes here, log x to the base a. Log 10 to the base 10 cube. So this 3 will come here. 1 by 3 is equal to log 10 to the base 10. So 1 by 3, same base, log a to the base a is equal to 1. So this is 1, so this is 1 by 3. Log a special pth root of q divided by pth root of r. Both are pth root, q and r both. Is equal to log, both pth root goes out. So q and r, q to the base r. How? So this can be written as log q to the power 1 by p divided by log q to the power 1 by p r to the power 1 by p. So this is equal to, this will come out here, 1 by p, 1, this will come here, 1 by 1 by p. ये 1 by p यहाँ से आ गया, ये 1 by p यहाँ से आया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पावर n into m वाला फार्मूला. So this is log q plus r. So p into 1 by p equal log q. ये रिजल्ट आ गया. अप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जानेंगे तो तुरंत हो जाता, टाइम का सेविंग हो जाएगा. 9 to the power log 27 to the base 729. This is equal to 9 to the power log 27. We know that 729 is 27 square. Because here 27, so we want to have 27, same. So this will come out to 9. This formula again, 1 by k formula, this formula. So 1 by 2 log 27 to the base 27. So this is 9 half. This is 1. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. So this is 1. So half, 9 to the power half, this is equal to 3. Or we can write it in this form also. 9 to the power log 27 to the base 729 is can be written as 9 to the 27. Here we are writing 9 to the power cube. 9 to the power cube 729. So 9, now this formula 1 by k. So 1 by 3 log 27 to the base 9. Now this will come out here, power. So log 27 to the base 9, 1 by 3. So 9 to the power log 27, 1 by 3 is 3. Cube root of 27 is 3 and 9. Again, first formula. So go out, so 3. Yes, pahla button. Two to the power 2 minus log 5 to the base 2. This can be 2 to the power square into 2 to the power minus log 5 to the base 2. 5 to the base 2. 2 square is 4 multiplied by 2 to the power, this will come here, n formula. So 5 to the power minus 1 base 2. So 4 into 2 log 4 into ये formula, this formula x. So this is equal to 5 to the power minus 1. So this is 4 by 5. Just for अब याद रखिए, रिकैप्सुलेशन के लिए बता दिए, अब जाके दिक्कत आगे जाके दिक्कत नहीं होगी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. श्री गणेशाय नमः. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा. मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गणपतध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनो हरि. हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा. जय गुरु. क्वेश्चन इज solve 4 to the power log 3 to the base n plus 9 to the power log 4 to the base 2 is equal to 10 to the power log 83 to the base x. Solve means we have to find the value of x. Now, here we see that here is 3, it is 9. So we can write it 3 square. Again here base is 2, so we can write it at 2 square. So 4 log 3 to the base 3 square plus 9 to the power log 2 square to the base 2 is equal to 10 to the power log 23 to the 83 to the base x. Now, this by half, 2 will come out here as half, 1 by 2. K wala formula, K formula, 1 by K, a to the power K. So this will, so we can write it as 4 to the power 1 by 2 log 3 to the base 3 plus 9 to, and this will come out here. So 2 log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 10 log 83 to the base x. Log 3 to the base 3, log 8 to the base is equal to 1, so this is 1. So 4 to the power half is equal to 9, this is 1, so this is 9 square, 10 log 83 to the base x. This is 2 plus 9 square 81 log this is 10 to the power 83 to the base x. 83 is equal to 10 to the power log 83 to the base x. Now, taking log both sides, this base 10, this base 10, so log 83 to the base 10 is equal to log whole thing to the base 10. This can be written like this. So this is 83 to the base 10. This power will come out here. So log 83 to the base x into log 10 to the base 10. So log 83 to the base 10 is equal to log 83 to the base x. Log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Log 8 to the base is equal to 1. So log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So here we see that log 83 to the base 10, log 83 to the base, so x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. But we have to verify, check it. Check. Here we find log 83 to the base x. So we will have, but here according to logarithm formula, x should be greater than 0 and x is not equal to 1. Here we see that x is 10, so 10 is greater than 0 and 10 is not equal to 1. So this satisfies both the conditions. So x is equal to 10 is the answer. This is your answer. Again, we can also calculate from here. This point. 10 to the power log 83 to the base x is equal to 83. We have formula a to the power x is equal to n, then log n to the base a is equal to x. So without taking log, we can apply this formula here. Here a is 10, x is whole thing this, and n is 83. So we can write it log 83 to the base 10 is equal to whole thing this, log 83 to the base x. Same thing, so 10 is equal to x. Same thing we have found this way. Thank you. Question is, solve log to the base 7, log to the base 5, root under x plus 5 plus root x is equal to 0. So first of all, we will apply this formula. Log n to the base a is equal to x, then a to the power x is equal to n. So whole thing will remain here like this. So log will go out, log 7 will remain, go 7 to the power 0 for this formula. So log to the base 5 root x plus 5 root x is equal to 7 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Again this formula we do, same formula. So root x plus 5 plus root x is equal to 5 to the power 1, so this is 5. Now we transpose this through two square roots here. So root x plus 5 is equal to 5 minus root x. Now squaring both sides. So x plus 5 is equal to 25 minus 10 root x plus x. X will go out. So 10 root x will come on this side. So 10 root x is equal to 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. So root x is equal to 20 by 10. This is 2. So x is equal to, squaring, x is equal to 4. Now check whether this satisfies the original equation or not. So here we find this is original. Log base 7 log 5 root x plus 5 per root. Let us put the value x is equal to 4 in this. So log 4 plus 5 root 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So this is root 9 plus root 4. So this is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So this is equal to log to the base 7 log 5 to the base 5. This is 1. 5 to the base 5. So log 1 to the base 7. And log 1 is 0. So this is 0. So this, when we find 0, here also 0. So this satisfies this equation. So the answer is x is equal to 4. Here one thing more. We can solve it like this also, or log to the base 7 log 5 root x plus 5 plus root x is equal to 0. This 0 we can write log 1 to the base 7. Log 1 is 0. So this is log 1 at this 7. This 7. So we can write it according to this. So this will go out now, these both. So log, so this is equal to 1. So this will go out. So log 1. So log to the base 5 root x plus 5 plus root x is equal to 1. Here we can also write log 5 root x plus 5 plus root x is equal to log 5 to the base 5. Here this is 5, here this is 5, and log a to the base is equal to 1. So we can write it like this. Again, this whole thing will go out. So root x plus 5 is equal to root x is equal to 5. Same thing we have found here. So we can also calculate like this in two ways. Next thing will be like previously as we have done. Thank you. Solve 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3 plus 5 minus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3 is equal to 10. Before solving this, we can see here 5 plus 2 root 6 and 5 minus 2 root 6. We multiply those 5 plus 2 root 6 to 5 minus 2 root 6. So this is equal to a plus b into a minus a square minus b square. 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square. So 25 minus 24, this is equal to 1. So 5 minus 2 root 6 can be written as 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. So this is equal to 5 plus root 6 to the power minus 1. Now, so 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3 plus this can be written as in this form. So 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power minus 1. So minus x square minus 3. So minus 1 multiplied to x square minus 3. Now, this can be represented as y. We can suppose that this is equal to y. So this is equal to y. So this is y to the power minus 1 is equal to 10, where y is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3. So this is y plus 1 by y is equal to 10. So y square minus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus formula x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula. So 10 plus minus root 10 is 100 square minus 4 upon the 4 divided by 2 into 1 2. So 10 plus minus root 96. 16 6 are 96. So 16 का square root is equal to 4. So 4 root 6 by 2. So this is equal to 5 plus minus 2 root 6. Now y is 5 plus 2 to the power x square minus 6. So y is equal to, here there are two values here, plus 1. So 5 plus 2 root 6. First of all we will take 5 plus 2 root 6. This is the power 1. So x square minus 3 is equal to 1. So x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2. Again, five plus 2 root 6 to the power x square minus 3. This time 5 minus. So this is 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6. Or 5 minus 2 root 6 can be written as 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power minus 1, as we have done it before. So x square minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So x square is equal to 2. So x is equal to plus minus 2. Hence, x is equal to plus minus 2 from here and x plus minus root 2 from here. Now we can check it also. By putting these values, we can check this. If we put here x is equal to plus minus 2, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, so plus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 will go out, so 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So this satisfies this equation. Again, by taking plus minus root 2, because it's square, so we can take plus minus both x at a time. So 5 plus root 2 minus minus 3, 2 minus minus 3. So again, this will come out with 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. Then you can algebraically solve. You will get the result 10. So this satisfies. So there are four roots here. Thank you. Common logarithm is, in common logarithm base is 10. When base is 10, this is known as common logarithm. So log x to the base 10, we can write it LGS also, log x. Napierian logarithm base e, so log x to the base e, we can write it as ln x. Ln x means its base is e, base is 10. Now log x to the base a can have positive values, 0 or negative values. For example, log 1000 to the base 10 is equal to log 10 to the power cube to the base 10. So this is 3, and log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So this is 3. So this is positive. Now we know log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Again we can calculate it, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore log 1 is equal to 0. Again 1 by 1000 to the base 10 is equal to log 10 to the power minus 3 to the base 10. So minus 3, and log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So this is minus 3. So here we see the value of log is positive, 0 and minus 3. So all the values it can have positive, 0 and negative. Now log x to the base e is equal to log x to the base 10 into log 10 to the base e. Chain rule. Chain rule. Log x to the base 10, log 10 to the base e. So log x to the base 10 into log 1 by log e to the base 10. Log a to the base b can be written as 1 by log b to the base a. Like this. So log x to the base 10. Now log e to the base 10. Question this. So log e to the base is equal to log e, value of e is 2.718 to the base 10. Now it's correct. There are two values for log x to the base 10 can have two values, characteristic and mantissa. This I will clear you after this. Again, just for know this. This is one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So characteristic is 0, and 27 under 1 is 4330, and under 8 13. So 4333, 4333, 4333. Four three 0.4343. So 10,000 by 4343. So 2.303. My point is this: in chemistry, you change this thing. Log x to the base is equal to just 2.303 into log x to the base 10. From where it comes? It comes from this logarithm formula. Again, I will show you characteristic and mantissa. Characteristic and mantissa. Log x to the base 10. Here is any number. So it will have three parts: characteristic, decimal and mantissa part. This point before the decimal part is known as characteristic. This is your decimal and this is your mantissa. Mantissa is always positive. From the table, we can calculate from the table, not orally. And characteristics can be positive, 0 or negative, which we have proved before. Now, log 372110 0.32. You want to know the characteristic. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So characteristic will be 3, and mantissa we will have to calculate from the table. Log 836.02. Here there are 3 digits. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. So characteristic is 2. 47.67. Here there are 2 points. So 2 minus 1, so characteristic is 1. 7. Here only one digit. So 1 minus 1 0. Now, so simply by subtracting 1, we can calculate the characteristic of any number. Here 0.008. There are 2 zeros here. So 2 plus 1, here we will have to add 1. So 3. So this characteristic will be minus 3. Here only 1 0. Number of 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1, that is, so this minus 2 characteristic. Here there is no 0. Number of 0 is 0. Between decimal point and non-zero number. Decimal point and non-zero number, there is no number, so 0 plus 1, so it's minus 1. Log 0.0083006. So its characteristic will be only 2 digits. We will not consider here these zeros. Non-zero digit is 8. So the decimal point and non-zero digit, there are 2 zeros. So this is 2 plus 1, so minus 3. So minus 3. So characteristic can be calculated mentally, orally, or for mantissa we will have to consult the table. Now graph. Now log x to the base a is greater than 1. We can write it also like this: log, you can take a log x to the base e, because e is greater than 2. So is greater, obviously it's greater than 1. This is greater than 1. So you can take it e as well. So this graph will be, this will pass through 1 0, because when we put here x is equal to 1, so y is equal to log x to the base a, log 1 to the base a, this is 0. So y becomes 0, so 1 0. So this will pass through 1 0, and this will like this curve. Why? Because e is greater than 2. Just imagine e take 2. So 2 to the power x, this will increasing, y is increasing. As x increases, y increasing. When x decreases, y also decreases. When x y also decreases, because negative value, so it is decreasing. So decreasing. Now log x minus x. So log x to the base e, and this is your log minus x to the base e. Just take the mirror image of it. When x is changed by minus x, replaced by minus x, mirror image about y axis. Mirror image of y axis. So mirror image of about y axis. When y is equal to minus log x to the base e. Log x to the base e is equal to this graph, 1 to 0. Now this can be minus y log x to the base e. Then y is replaced by minus 1. Minus y. When y is replaced by minus y, then we will take the mirror image about y axis. Mirror about x axis. This point to remember it. When x is replaced by minus x, mirror image about y axis. When x is replaced by minus y, mirror is about x axis. So these are the graphs here. So my dear ones, I have tried my best to encourage you all. Please go through it at least 3 times. यदि 3 times में भी नहीं हो तो एटलीस्ट 5 times, 7 times, 17 times, 37 times. एक किस्सा है कि एक राजा जो चढ़ाई किया एक बादशाह, तो 17 बार 18वीं बार में जीत गया. तो 17 times only we have to do रिपीटेडली रिवाइज इट डेली, यू विल गेट ऑल द आंसर्स। और कोई भी सवाल हो कहीं बने, जो जहाँ पढ़ते हो वहीं पढ़िए। सेल्फ स्टडी हो, किसी फ्रेंड के साथ पढ़ रहे हो, किसी टीचर के साथ पढ़ रहे हो, किसी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में हो, उसको कंटिन्यू कीजिए, पढ़िए। और वहाँ जब दिक्कत होगी, इसमें आपको बहुत चीज़ क्लियर हम समझा दिए हैं, इससे आप समझ जाइएगा, समझने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी। सेल्फ स्टडी भी कीजिएगा तो समझ जाइएगा कैसे बना है, एक एक पॉइंट क्लियर करके। और एक टिप्स हम और देना चाहते हैं आपको, वो लास्टली वह है विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक। विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक क्या है कि आप सीधा बैठ जाइए, लेट के भी कर सकते हैं। और ऐसे बैठिए तो ठीक है, बैठ करके आँख को थोड़ा ऊपर करके, आँख बंद करके, यहाँ फोरहेड में यहाँ पर देखिए, आँख बंद है, अंधेरा जगेगा, डार्कनेस, यू विल फील डार्क, ओनली डार्कनेस। नाउ थिंक 2 4 जा 8, it is written there, 2 4 जा 8, 10 5 जा 16 3 जा 48. So just see in it, in darkness. Then a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. ये प्रैक्टिस आप कीजिए, लेट के भी कर सकते हैं, बैठ के भी, ज़्यादा अच्छा बैठ के कीजिए तो लेट के भी, सोते समय कम से कम 2 3 4 मिनट, उसका बढ़ा के 10 मिनट। और किसी भी सवाल को जैसे बनाए हैं तो उसको कॉपी रख लीजिए सामने में, कॉपी रख करके देखिए, आंख बंद कीजिए और पूरा होल पिक्चर जैसे ब्लैक बोर्ड पर आप देखते हैं उसे समझिए कि हम ब्लैक बोर्ड पर देख रहे हैं, और उसको सबको रिवाइज कर जाइए। देखिएगा तो मेंटल पावर बढ़ेगा, कैलकुलेशन में जो टाइम लग रहा है वो नहीं लगेगा, जितना टाइम हम इसमें लगाए हैं आपको समझाने में उतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। और प्रेयर करते, प्रे टू गॉड, ईश्वर, अल्लाह, जो जिसमें मन हो भगवान को प्रार्थना कीजिए। नहीं भगवान विश्वास करते हैं तो जो विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक कीजिएगा, इससे भी पढ़ जाएगा सब। थैंक यू वेरी मच, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।